all of my lions, stand fast in the storm, because the storm of life is always striking. But you have to stand fast and don't get flooded by the waves and the thunder and the lightning of life. Lions, all of my lions, stand fast with me. Walk with me, Shire the artist. You're done. No!
Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up? Shine the artist, shine the lion. You done know. You done know. How's it going, Rev? It's your boy, Shine the Artist, man. Yo, thank you for allowing me to make you this bracelet, man. It's been an honor to have you as a friend, to have you as a good person in my life. You know, everything that you do for us at the church and around our family and members is amazing, man. Thank you. It's just being great. So today, I'm going to be making you your bracelet. I'm using a black obsidian. Black obsidian is a good stone, man. It's a powerful stone. It's made from lava. Come from the darkest part of the lava rocks. There's different shades of it, mahogany and all the different other colors and stuff like that. But I specifically like this color because it's just, and it's bold. It stands for strength, protectness, grounding, all that goodness, you know? So, yeah, man, let me get to it. So, what I'm going to be doing today, stringing it up, making it right here for you. Show you how Cheyenne really gets it going. So it's going to take a while, but just bear with me as I go through this process. Yeah, so this process right here is pretty much just, you know, gathering all the beads, lining them up, put them in the, you know, put them on the elastic string. The string is very durable, man. It could last for years if it's taken care of the right way. You know, I suggest people not to shower with them, shower with your bracelets as much, because too much showering, you know, water, and all that stuff after a while starts to mess up the elasticity on the bracelet, you know. But other than that, it lasts pretty long. It lasts pretty good. It's pretty durable.
other side of the bar. Let me take you.
That's it, folks.